Henan Mine is an export project, manufactured multiple CMG models. Automatic container gantry crane. The container door crane is an A8 super heavy-duty system. The overall use of special materials to adapt to high latitude and cold environments can be used in a low-temperature environment of -40 degrees. Normal container handling operations. The door crane has the ability to operate at high frequency, ultra-high-speed operation, compared to ordinary container door cranes. Lifting efficiency has been increased by 3 times. Equipped with full-frequency conversion drive and energy feedback system, ECS automatic control system, GPS high-precision positioning system, etc. Implemented container handling automation, crane state visualization, logistics information integration, and other functions. Henan Mine will continue to uphold the quality-focused strategy, enhance technological innovation, make more high-quality lifting equipment go abroad, to promote the high-quality development of China's lifting machinery industry.